Hello and welcome to the replay. Make sure if you're watching the replay, you give me a hashtag replay. But this is Jen with Let's Get Chalkin' with Jen. And when you come in, please let me know that you're here. Sometimes I can't see when people come in, so I can't say hello to you. And I love to make sure I get to say hello to everyone that is a part of my live. So happy 4th of July. I know it's a holiday. I actually just got home from work and I'm getting ready to, well, I actually started my 4-day vacation, so that's kind of cool, but I might not be around because my son's going to be playing ball, and I wanted to at least get one more part of our 4-part series of the farmhouse. I know a lot of you are liking the last tin that I did, the metal tin with our farmhouse transfer. So I want to make sure I get another one in because the next two aren't going to be till next week. So I hope you're all having a great 4th of July and enjoying this time with your family. And I understand if you're not watching today because I would absolutely be doing that as well if my family wasn't out playing baseball. So again, when you come in, please say hello to me. Let me know you're here, where you're watching from. And on the bottom left-hand corner of all your mobile devices, there is a share button. You are welcome to share my video. I greatly appreciate it when you do as well. So, like I said, this is going to be part 2 of our farmhouse series. Now, I am going to be using just a couple different transfers for this design, and then I will be using our Chalkology chalk paste. But what I need to know, if anybody is out there watching, I'm not sure if I just kind of want to do like half of the bowl on the bottom with the Farm Fresh on the top, or if I want to put like the barbed wire on the bottom and Farm Fresh on the top. So if you're watching, I'm going to wait a few minutes and see which one you like. So it's either going to be the bull or it's going to be the barbed wire. Just comment below if you're watching. If not, I'll just go ahead and pick one and we'll go from there. So Chalkology is a newer company. We just turned a year old yesterday, which is really awesome. It is a direct sales home party plan company, and we have the most versatile home decor on the market, and there is no other company out there like us, which is really awesome. So if you're looking to get into a business, whether you want to do home parties or not, and we call them sip and chalks or make and takes, if you want to create things and do them on Etsy, if you want to create things and sell them at local boutiques or vendor shows, you can absolutely do that with our products. So I don't see anybody coming in right now. And like I said, I know it's a holiday, so I totally get it. So I'm just going to go ahead and pick one. And I'm actually going to pick the bowl because I think that's going to look really cool on here. Now, this is just a basic, I don't know, I'm calling it a wooden paddle cutting board that I bought at a local store. This was some twine that I had. And what I want to do, because this is going to totally just be for decoration in my farmhouse series, I'm just going to take this twine and wrap it around the top. Because I know if you go to those home decors and you see there's a lot of these out there, they kind of give it an extra little feature. It just kind of gives it a cute little touch. I'm just going to wind it up. And if I want to, you can throw a ribbon on here, and then I would hot glue that, or let me just tuck it in. And I have to tell you, I only paid $5 for this board. So again, how awesome is that you can create your home decor and save money? Because if you buy one of these decorated already, you're probably looking, at paying $20, $30 anyhow. So I'm just going to try to tuck that in back there. There we go. Got it. So that just stays right on the top. So again, just to give it an extra little feature. Now, like I said, I think I'm going to put the bull here, and then I'm going to do farm and then fresh underneath of it. So again, if you're joining me, please make sure you say hello, because a lot of the time I really don't get to see who's coming into my lives because this is my Facebook business page. And I do want to welcome everybody. We've got a lot of new visitors on our Facebook page. So welcome to chalkinwithjen.com, or I'm sorry, Chalkin' with Jen. I am an independent designer with Chalkology. So this is what I'm going to do tonight for this one. Now I am going to be using our Chalkology chalk paste. I'm going to be using this in black. Our chalk paste does come in, I think I have 29 different colors, which is awesome. So we have a lot of different options you can choose from. But being I'm doing farmhouse, I just kind of want to keep it simple. Now our chalk paste is water soluble and semi-permanent. So what that means is it goes on as the liquid and dries as a solid. And then when I'm done with this, I'm actually going to seal it with a, where'd my sealer go? I'm just going to seal this with a Krylon sealer because I want to make my design absolutely permanent. So, and if you want to learn more about the different things you can do with our chalk paste, because you can remove your designs, which is really cool. So if you wanted to change things out for each and every season, you can do that. Just check out my YouTube channel and I show you exactly how that works. So I'm just adding a little water because it was kind of thick, and you want your chalk paste to be like a sour cream yogurt consistency. So just added some water, stirring it up. So like I said, this is going to be part 2, and the other two won't be done till next week, only because of my son plays baseball, and I will be out and about running around watching him play baseball. So all of our transfers are a silk screen reusable transfer. So what that means is once you're done with these, you will clean them up with water and Clorox wipes, and then you'll store them again for future use. Now, you usually can get anywhere from 8 to 15 uses out of one transfer. And I'm just writing on the back so that I know which side is the back when I go to reapply them to that. All right, so I think I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna start with the farm. We're gonna line this all up on here. So I'm gonna go farm. I think this is gonna be really cute. And if you wanna measure, that's entirely up to you. I'm not measuring only because I don't wanna make you guys wait while I sit here and try to measure everything out. But you can absolutely do that if you wanna center it. We actually have a brand new product that we just launched 2 days ago, actually. And it's a tape that actually has a ruler on it, which is really cool because it eliminates all that. It helps you get your transfers even. So like I said, I'm just gonna do farm and fresh. And then I'm gonna get my big bowl and I'm gonna remove him from the backing. And all of our transfers, they're sticky. So I don't know if you can hear that, but they're sticky. So that's what makes them adhere to your surface. And I just want to do a part of him. I don't want the whole thing. So I think that's going to look really cool, but let's go right about there. Now you're going to apply your transfer. You're going to smooth it out so that there are no air bubbles within your silk screen area. Okay. And this is going to be a quick one for you guys tonight. Then you're going to get your chalk paste. You're going to get, we sell these. These are our squeegees. We have several different kind of squeegees. You'll take your squeegee, you'll put it in your chalk paste, and then you'll just apply it to that area. You don't really need a lot. You can go left to right. You can go up and down. It doesn't matter. You just only need to do it in that silk screen area. And let me go ahead and do the fresh too, since I have a lot on there. Any excess you'll scrape off and put right in the jar because you don't want to waste it. Our chalk paste has once you open the jars, it has a shelf life of 6 months. And then after that, if you leave it unopened, it can last up to a year. All right, so I'm going to remove these so you can kind of see how cool this is. Our peel and reveal. This is going to be really cute when it's done. Farm fresh. Can you guys see that? How cool is that? It's going to look really cute when it's done. All right, so let's get our bowl done. And if you have any questions, please let me know. You can comment below. You can private message me. If you're interested in just purchasing products, you can do that right on my website at chalkinwithjen.com. Or if you're interested in learning more about the business opportunity, we have a great private Facebook group. There is no obligation. If you want to learn more about the business opportunities and the way you can run this business, like I said, I do work full time. This is something I do on the side, and I absolutely love it. It is so fun. You do not have to be crafty. Absolutely anybody can do this. I am not Miss Crafty at all. And I absolutely love all the different designs that Chalkator has to offer and the things you can create. Plus, we all help each other with coming out with new ideas. So, who's ready to see the bowl? All right, we're gonna peel and reveal, and we're almost done with this video today, you guys. How quick was that? So like I said, make sure you let me know. Oh my gosh, look how great that looks, you guys. I love it. I love it. He looks so good. All right, so this was part 2 in the 4-part series of our farmhouse. Like I said, once this dries, I am gonna seal it. Again, I just use a Krylon sealer. It's a satin crystal clear sealer that you buy at a local store. This is only gonna be for display, but I will take a picture of it. I hope you love it. Give me some hearts or thumbs up let me know what you think. And make sure you comment below. Let me know where you're from. I love to hear. If you have any questions, reach out to me. Type in info below if you want to learn more. I'll make sure I have my website on there. And I hope you guys have a really great 4th of July. Enjoy the time with your family and friends. And just have a great evening. Please stay tuned on my page. Like I said, I might be off of here for the next couple of days because my son is playing ball, but I will definitely have more videos and more fun things to come. So have a great day and enjoy your evening. Thanks for watching.